My town was a wasteland, full of cages, full of fences, pageant queens and pretenders. But for some it was paradise. My boy was a montage, a slow motion love potion, jumping off things in the ocean. It broke his heart 'cause he was nice. He was sunshine, I was midnight rain. He wanted it comfortable, I wanted that pain. He wanted a bride, I was making my own name, chasing that fame. He stayed the same, all of me changed like midnight. It came like a postcard, picture perfect, shiny family, holiday, peppermint candy. But for him it's every day. So I peered through a window, a deep portal, time travel, all the love we unraveled, and the life I gave away. 'Cause he was sunshine, I was midnight rain. He wanted it comfortable, I wanted that pain. He wanted a bride, I was making my own name, chasing that fame. He stayed the same, all of me changed like midnight. He wanted it comfortable, I wanted that pain. He wanted a bride, I was making my own name, chasing that fame. He stayed the same, all of me changed like midnight.
Fears made me realize I can do anything as long as I don't let it stop me. While we danced and I kissed Zane, I thought you hated me. I did, but only because I missed you so much. I'm never gonna leave you now. Me either. Best friends? The bestest. And he kissed me, and it was everything I'd imagined. I fire you right now. Will you be my boyfriend instead? Without a word, he grabbed my face and finally kissed me on the lips.